Hi guys, I am starting off a new vlog. I don't really have that much in my house to cook, so we are going to go to the grocery store together. I'm taking you guys with me. I want to get some fresh salmon, scallops, all of the things since I don't have anything, like I said, to cook. I love Whole Foods. That's where I do like majority of my shopping, or Bristol Farms. I'm currently wearing the cutest lounge set and it's so soft and comfortable. Really just feels like you're wearing nothing at all. I just got it and I'm obsessed with it. So I will link this, but sadly I have to take it off because I need to change. We're going to get dressed and we're going to head to the market. I'm kind of debating if I should go to Bristol Farms now because I love Bristol Farms, or I should just go to Whole Foods. We will see where I end up. You guys will see because you'll be coming with me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I have been looking at a lot of comments. Sorry, I'm really bad at responding right now because I'm posting and filming every day, but I see the notifications when they come through. I'll read them. And I do see a lot of comments regarding wanting more fashion content, so that's coming. And then also more like food related, so that's also what I'm working on. So I do take your guys' feedback into account and it means so much to me. Really, truly, thank you so much for all the comments and everything. Okay guys, I'm at Bristol Farms. I told you I would update you and I ended up coming to Bristol Farms, not Whole Foods, because this is my favorite. Okay guys, I just got back from the grocery store. We are going to make dinner. I hear you guys all when you say you want cooking content. Look who's here. I think she can smell because I have scallops. Excuse me. I think she can smell because I have scallops, and scallops are her favorite thing in the whole world. So when I have scallops when I come home from the market, she gets excited, you know? We're gonna be making dinner together. I know you guys always ask me for more food related content and cooking content. Today I am just making a pasta dish that I thought was gonna be fun to show you guys. And pasta, I feel like I really like pasta in the winter time. I feel like it's cozy. Okay, starting off, some baby spinach to start. I always get spinach. It's one of my favorite things. I put it in smoothies, I put it in omelets, I put it in all the things you can think of. I got a frise salad mix. This is my favorite. I love this. I always get it. A piece of Mediterranean grilled chicken. So yum. You could put it on top of some greens. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. We got some scallops. I just got a couple of these. I love scallops and I'm making them for dinner tonight. They are so yummy. Then I got some, oh, I thought this was cool, but it's just cut up pineapple chunks, yellow and pink pineapple. And this looked yummy. So I think I have a pineapple allergy because every time I eat pineapple, my tongue itches, my throat feels so itchy, but I don't care because I love pineapple and I will still continue to eat it. We got some basil for our pasta. You're gonna see today. Some of this is my favorite. It's a goat cheese and it has a fig spread on the side and it's just to die for, and I have tried to dupe it at home and nothing comes close to the one that they have there. I don't know why, if I'm using the wrong goat cheese or what, but it just never tastes the same way that theirs does. Some angel hair pasta for tonight. Got some cucumbers to snack on, and I feel like I haven't been snacking on them lately. Then we have one more bag. So I got some orange juice because I feel like I keep on and off getting sick. I will never not walk by a Rice Krispie treat and not grab one. I love Rice Krispie treats, so this is my cheat. I try to go by the 80-20 rule, which is like 80% you eat really well, 20% is like it's okay to cheat a little bit. And even in that cheating, I'm really not someone who gravitates towards like junk food. I never get junk food. I never eat fast food. I just don't like it. I don't like how it makes me feel, but I do have a sweet tooth. That's what gets me. And I walked by this and I had to have it. I also got this. So this is the strawberry milk, and I thought it would be yummy in a latte, like a matcha latte or a iced coffee tomorrow morning. So I just got this. It's really small and I'm excited to try it. It's probably not that great for you, but I wanted to try it anyway. Red chili and beef tamale, and I really wanted to eat this tomorrow. It looked really yummy. This is maple bourbon goat cheese. I love goat cheese. I also got some apple pear cider. Apple cider in the fall, but with pear, I love pear. This just sounded amazing. Got some blueberries because these looked so good and I love blueberries. Blueberries have so many health benefits. And then I got this Greek salad. It's just a yummy Greek salad. It's got tomato, feta, olives, yum, yum, yum. Some creme fraiche for our pasta sauce that we're making that I literally made the recipe up for. So, you know, fingers crossed it tastes good, because if it doesn't, it's probably not even gonna be in this vlog. These are like nostalgic because I remember as a kid, not a kid, but maybe like high school, I was eating these. There was like 1 year where I discovered these and they were my favorite. These are so good, you guys, and they actually have caffeine in them. They're literally like coffee candies, but they have enough caffeine to where it wakes you up. So it's, I don't know, I just thought it was like fun and nostalgic. So then I got some cinnamon rolls. These are my favorite, and I got these to make with my sister because my sister's finishing school exams this week. So if you're watching this, I got this for us. We're gonna make this when you come back from school this week. Okay, so for dinner, I'm making an angel hair pasta with a green sauce, and I'm also gonna do a scallops on top for protein. I love scallops and they're so healthy and so good for you. So I just washed the basil and I'm putting spinach in my blender with basil. I'm eyeballing it. I'm also gonna add some garlic and my creme fraiche. I'm eyeballing, and I'm also gonna add a lemon, juice of a lemon. I originally went into like the dairy aisle to get heavy cream, and then I wanted something different instead of heavy cream in my pasta sauce, something that would make it taste yummy and creamy, but like not heavy cream. And I saw creme fraiche and I thought that it would be a better idea. So I'm gonna blend this all together. I put the sauce on the stove for just a little bit. It's so yummy. I did add a little too much lemon. If I could go back, I would do half a lemon, but it is so yummy. And I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to it and let it just sit on the stove for a little bit on really low heat. And then my angel hair pasta is cooking right now. And once I'm done with these, I'm also going to start the scallops. I'm going to just grill them with a little bit of butter. Pasta with some scallops. It's so easy. This is dinner number 1, and then the other plate is going to be my grilled chicken. And then plate number 2, grilled chicken, pasta, and some greens. Okay, so for digestion, I love peppermint tea, and this is my absolute favorite peppermint tea. I'll link it. You can get it from Amazon. I'm obsessed with this. It's the most fresh, amazing peppermint tea I've ever had. I like this one the most, and basically I make peppermint tea every night before bed, and while I'm watching a show or editing a vlog or doing whatever it may be, I enjoy my peppermint tea. And I love peppermint tea with honey or a little bit of like something to sweeten it. Just gonna grab the mug.